What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I have an amazing recipe for you all. 2 words, that's it, 2 words. Lobster rolls, baby. That's it. And it is jam-packed with so much flavor as always. OMG, stop playing with me. This is straight gas. Straight pressure. You gotta pull out your urban dictionary to know what I'm talking about, okay? This is it right here, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So easy to make, yet so delicious. Let's not waste any more time and get right on into it. Let's get started. So these are the lobster tails that we will be working with. These are about 8 ounces each. I got these bad boys from Costco. Ideally, you want to have some live lobster, but you know, this is what I could get my hands on. We're gonna boil these for about 1 minute per ounce as far as the individual tail. So 8 ounces would be 8 minutes, but we want to undercook these a little bit because remember, we're going to toss this in some yummy butter, okay? So we're going to actually let this go for about 5 minutes. Once that time is up, you want to go ahead and pull these bad boys out of the water and lay them onto the side so we can get that delicious lobster tail meat out of the shell. And wow, are these looking amazing or what? These are some big boys, okay? And I can't wait to dig in to this wonderful, wonderful dish right here. So like I said, I'm just taking them out of the water, putting them onto my little cutting board here. And I am gonna grab my trusty kitchen shears and we're just gonna slice it from the underside of the tail. I find this being the easier method. And you're just gonna kind of peel away from the sides, and you're gonna eventually be able to get a nice grip on that meat and really pull it out in one complete piece. And you're gonna basically repeat this process until you have all of your tails out of the shell. So once you have all of your lobster out of the shell, this is how you should be looking. Moving on, we're gonna slice these into some nice sized chunks, okay? Nice sized chunks. When you take a bite of this lobster roll right here, you're just gonna get a mouth full of goodness. I'm letting you know right now. So go ahead and take care of that nice and easy. Like I said, this is not an intimidating recipe at all. This is so easy. Something you could just get in the kitchen and take care of in no time at all. This is really so simple. So this is how you should be looking once you have them all chopped up. I'm gonna go ahead and melt down a stick of salted butter on the screen. I have all the ingredients that we're about to toss into this butter, and everything, you know, all the ingredients and just the whole recipe basically will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. So I have my garlic going in, some freshly minced garlic, as well as some shallots, okay? We could have kept it simple and just used some regular onion, but we're working with shallots today, baby. And I want to add a little kick, so I'm tossing in a little bit of red chili flakes just to give it a little heat, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that. You could take it out if you don't like a little spicy in your recipe. And we're gonna reintroduce these beautiful chunks of lobster to this butter. Wow, and wow. And by the way, if you're wondering, my heat as far as my stove is to a medium. So you want to go ahead and toss them up in that wonderful butter right there. And you can't forget to toss in a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice, as well as throw in a handful of those chives as well. So it is time to toast up our beautiful brioche buns. I found these at my local grocery stores. If you can find some brioche rolls, that would be even better, but this is what I found. Very simple. You get the pan nice and hot, toss in your butter, you just toast it up until they look nice and beautiful. Just like this, nothing to it at all. We're just toasting up some buns, okay? And once your buns are toasted up, it is time for the assembly line. This is like one of my favorite parts right here. We're just gonna load this bun up with this beautiful lobster meat that is dripping in some well flavored up butter, baby. Yes, 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 yes. Do not be stingy with the lobster. You have to pretty much jam pack this bun to capacity just like so, and finish it off with some chives on the top just like so. Oh my goodness. Pressure. Pressure. Hey man, this is so good right here. I can't wait for y'all to try this. Man. Oh man. And you know we have to try this on camera. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, so that's what we about to do. All right, this is looking so amazing right here. I can't wait to dig in and give it a try. It is smelling good, looking good. I already know it's gonna be busting 10 out of 10. Come on now. Come on now, look at this big boy. We got it jam-packed with lobster, baby. Let's go ahead and dig in. I had to grab a napkin, boy. That thing oozing. Oozing with that delicious butter, baby. Ooh. Wow. I need a moment. I need a moment right now. Wow. I need a moment, baby. This is good. This is slapping. Oh my. Oh my. You know the motto, 10 out of 10, must try again. This is so bomb right here. Let's talk a little bit about lobster rolls. You never really want to over season your lobster rolls because you want to get that taste of the lobster. You don't want to overpower it with too much seasoning. But I feel like we got the perfect balance right here, okay? We have the shallots, we have the fresh minced garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, and a little bit of red chili flakes just to give it a little extra pop, and that's all you need. Perfect balance, as well as a little squeeze of lemon juice. Perfect, 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 perfect. That yummy, delicious butter, oh my. I'm telling you, this right here is special. Come on now, look at this. Oh my God. This is so good. You have no right being this delicious, you damn lobster roll. Jeez. I'm talking, this is just, I'm at a loss for words, guys. It's just simply amazing. I appreciate everyone watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you slap that like button to make sure YouTube knows you're loving this content so we can keep everything going. All right, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as any suggestions as far as recipes you want to see in the future. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces. Guys, man.